Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to how to enable a screen reader on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the right twice and go to screen reader. Now you can enable it. It'll activate for switching mode, shooting start and shooting end, and some abnormal status like overheating, low battery or full storage. And now let's start recording.
Shooting complete.
Okay, it was actually a photo.
Photo. Video.
Yeah, you can see switching
Video.
mode.
Pre-frame video. Video. Start recording. Shooting complete.
Yeah, so you can see this is how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.